Hi friends, it's Miss Julie. Today for science, we're going to read a magazine together, and it's a Ranger Rick magazine for little kids called Cub. This is the front of the magazine, and we see an animal. This is a river otter. Isn't she cute? Her name is Rosie. Rosie the river otter. Rosie is a river otter pup. She lives on the banks of a small river. So here's the water called the river. Where she's standing is the land. The land by the river is called a bank. I'll bet there's a bunch of animals that live in this river. Can you think of any animals that might live in the river? Can you name one? Good job. I'll bet there's fish and ducks and turtles that live in or near the water. Rosie has two sisters. Maybe this is Rosie, and this is her two sisters. Here's the mama. The pups, which are babies, they want this fish that mom caught for dinner. Yum, yum, yum. Now we're going to play I Spy. This is a fun game. You have to look for the items that I tell you to find. So on this side, we're going to find these animals. We're going to look on this page at the different animals over here. Okay, the first animal that I want you to find is a river otter. Go over here and put your finger on the river otter. Good job. This is the river otter. Okay, now we're going to look for I spy a turtle. Can you find the turtle on this page? Put your finger on the turtle. Good job. This is the turtle. All right, next one. I spy a duck. Can you put your finger on the duck on this page? Good job. There's the duck. Great job with that game. Our next page, we have a letter. We have a capital D, and we have a lowercase d. D says D. Can you say D? D. Good job. D is for deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. This is the baby deer called a fawn. You know it's a baby because it has little spots on it. As they grow older, they're not going to have their spots anymore. Can you think of some other words that start with the letter D? I bet you can. Let me think of some D words. Do you have a doll? A baby doll? That starts with a D. What about duck? Quack, quack. That starts with the letter D. Dad? That starts with a D. Dollar. There's a lot of words that start with the letter D. Let's go to the next page. Ooh, this one's called Piglet Parade. This is a warthog. Warthogs are part of the pig family. I'll bet this is the mama, and look at her babies. They're behind her. 3 little warthogs follow along. Right behind mom is where they belong. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Where do you like to go with your mom? That's cool. Do you like to follow her along? I'll bet you do. Okay, now we're going to play a game. This is a matching game. Let's look at the shadow on this page. Wow, that is quite the shadow in shape. All right, so we're going to look over here. Do these look the same? Are those the same shape? Let's look at this one. Are those the same shape? Let's look at this one. This has got a long tail. Is that the same shape? Or let's look at this one. Is that the same shape? Touch the picture that you think is the same shape as this one. Is it the warthog, the bird, the salamander, or the snake? Right, it's the snake. This is the same as this one. This is a real snake. Good job matching. April showers. April gives the flowers a drink. They're very thirsty. Here's all the flowers. Rain gives us puddles to splash in. Do you like to splash in the puddles? I'll bet you do. These kids have on their rain boots and rain jackets. And the mom has on her rain boots and jacket too. It protects them from getting wet from the rain. And if we're lucky, rain gives us a rainbow. Is it raining anymore? No, it's not raining anymore. But we can still see what the rain left behind. Puddles on the ground. Let's name the colors. Red. What's the next one? Orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Very good, guys. This one's called Can You? A ground squirrel can smell a flower. Can you smell a flower? Use your nose. That's one of our senses. Our nose helps us smell. What are some things that you like to smell? I like to smell popcorn. I like to smell burning candles. And I love to smell flowers. You can also think of some things that you don't like to smell. Some things have a bad smell. This little guy, his name is Cubby. Find me 5 more times inside the magazine. Let's go back and see if we can find him. We're looking for Cubby. 1. I don't see him on this page. I don't see him on that page. 2. There he is. I don't see him on that page. There he is. 3. There he is. 4. 5. So there is 5 little pictures of Cubby. I hope you enjoyed our Ranger Rick Cub magazine. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.